ALTRAFO Srl represents an absolute novelty in the productive tradition in the territory of Matera. Starting from the long experience in the electric plant for medium voltage cabins or low voltage panels, in repairing motors and electrics transformers, its founders, led by their passion for electrotechnics, took up the ambitious project to manufacture and commercialize cast resin and oil-immersed transformers for medium voltage in 2003. New, young and qualified human resources developed planning and productive know-how. Cast resin transformer, ALTRAFO core business, has established itself for the last decades as an alternative solution, often preferred to the oil transformer for the electric energy distribution in medium voltage. Greater sturdiness, smaller required maintenance, very reduced fire risk, a limited environmental impact, higher permissible working temperatures are some of the numerous advantages that cast resin transformer offers compared to the oil one. The main assembly parts of a cast resin transformer, having primary in medium voltage, are the magnetic core, the low and medium voltage windings, the accessories and the metal carpentry support, the insulating system of active parts. ALTRAFO deals with the design of transformer components and produces windings, encapsulation in resin, electric connection system exterior to the machine, assigns skilled suppliers the task to look after laminations cut and their assembling to core metal structure. Medium voltage windings are realized in wire, strap or foil of aluminium or copper, and they are class F insulated. Coils are winded up by means of semi-automatic winding machine. After a suitable thermal desiccation pre-treatment, they are set in metallic molds and cast in a compound based on epoxy, resin and aluminium. The casting takes place in a vacuum tank. The process is completed when, in the furnace, the glassy transition is reached, and this gives to medium voltage coils their typical monolithic consistency. Low voltage windings are realized in aluminium or copper plate. Differently from the medium voltage windings, the low one are impregnated in electro-insulating varnishes and then desiccated in furnace. The magnetic core is made of grain-oriented ferrosilicon sheets and cut to 45 degrees step-lap. ALTRAFO selects different types according to customer requests, to normal or low values of losses. ALTRAFO supplies transformers whose standard range goes from 50 kVA to 3150 kVA and voltage up to 36 kV insulation class. ALTRAFO transformers can be used for several applications, from the distribution to photovoltaic and aeolian plants, from furnaces to traction, from special to LV and insulation transformers. ALTRAFO has within its staff human resources who deal with designing and producing no standard transformers regarding voltage levels and powers according to customer requests. Factory activities obey to certified quality system UNI, EN, ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. While the transformer obtains certifications for C2, E2, F1 classes issued by an external laboratory recognized CINL. ALTRAFO combines an excellent product quality to a good prices competitiveness, both for installers and big national and international retailers. ALTRAFO offers, for no standard transformers too, delivery time under 4 working weeks. Thanks to a great reactivity in planning stage and to an efficient availability of constructive materials in warehouse. Each transformer is subjected to strict controls both during productive process and in final tests. In a modern test room, ALTRAFO performs all routine tests according to IEC 676-11 standard. DC ohmic measure of windings, tappings measure, no-load test, short circuit test, separate source AC withstand voltage test, induced AC withstand voltage test, partial discharges measurements. It is also possible to perform type test as the lighting pulse test up to 125 kV. ALTRAFO has a climatic cell where it is possible to simulate climatic and environmental condition as per C2, E2 classes. Moreover, ALTRAFO can stress thermally the transformers going from -25 degrees Celsius to 140 degrees Celsius, verifying later their mechanical and electrical parameters. Or it can put them in tropical environment with very high humidity in order to check their dielectric tightness. ALTRAFO performs time after time heating tests, studying condition, ensuring the right losses disposal of transformers. In addition to technical features of transformer, the external conditions of ventilation and cooling too have the common aim to control working over temperatures of windings and core. ALTRAFO pays particular attention to product research and development. In fact, in a more and more competitive market, it should not be possible to maintain high-quality standards of the product, but for a continuous planned revision.